to design our wireframes. We accommodate those elements, like I just said. So that's the purpose of all of those. I've kind of broken it down for you just so you don't forget to add them on. That was a scribble of mine. Ignore it. So I've said an hour, but it took my other class like an hour and a half. But use work really fast and know that you can get this done in under an hour. So you need 2 home pages, 2 of every page, yeah? So you've got these alternative designs. Obviously, on your second set of designs and your first set of designs, you've got to make sure that the layout stays consistent, yes? Don't just start making it all up. Make sure that you keep your navigation in the same place and your logo in the same place and stuff like that. You then need to write a paragraph comparing the two, explaining why you have done what you have done and how does this meet the client brief, and inform some improvements. So underneath both of your home pages, your original and your alternative, you would write a small paragraph. Okay. If you get confused on this, because I feel like I'm just talking at you, please do email me. I will be on my email today during your lesson, just in case you need us. All right. Okay. So read through this. If I've kind of gone too fast, but pause the video now and get cracking, and then go and check yourself off on the board, guys. Okay, next thing, the tech document. So at this point, I'm assuming Abdullah is sunbathing in his chair as per usual. Manny is probably getting distracted, eh? I'm just kidding. But concentrate, please. All I've done is compliment this class and tell whoever's covering this class that you are amazing for us. So don't show us up. Okay. Speaking of Abdullah, his technical area on his assignment 1 was really, really good. So you can actually ask him for some help on this, and I'm sure you will be willing to help, won't you? Help everyone, won't you? Same with Ricky. Ricky, your tech document on your assignment was also very good. So when you wrote about CSS and HTML and things like that in your assignment 1, you're going to do something similar for this assignment. So it's just a paragraph explaining how you're going to produce the website technically. So you're going to talk about Dreamweaver. So you would say Dreamweaver is a web design and development software where you use HTML and CSS and JavaScript. I've accidentally forgot JavaScript off there. Then you talk a little bit. HTML is a programming language that does this. CSS is a programming language that does this. JavaScript is this. Hex codes are this. And a box model is this. It's just a paragraph. You can use like pictures and screenshots to help you. But pretty simple. Use your assignment 1 to help you. Everyone got it right. Just put the head and technical document in that Word doc for us. And pause the video now and get cracking, guys. It shouldn't take too long. Okay, last 2 things. I'm just going to skim through them together. Card brochure. So when you download the client materials, you'll see that I've put a card brochure on there. And when I say card brochure, I'm totally doing it in air quotes. It's like dire. But the reason that I couldn't do a really good brochure is because I don't know what your logo is and I don't know what your colour scheme is and things like that. So obviously it looks like this. Pretty basic. But remember, we need to change this into a downloadable PDF on our website at some point. So I want you to design and colour this and create this. So screenshot the original idea, put it in your Word document, and then add some colour to it, add your logo to it, style it up, guys, just whatever you want. And then export it as a PDF ready for your website. Okay. The other thing, this is kind of like extension. I want you to create a banner for your site. Think cool. So maybe a big image or your logo, simple, minimalist. Remember, they want to make this website a little bit cooler than it was before. I know some of you disagree and you think Lings is really cool. That's weird, but whatever. Create an images folder and store this in there. it's really important that whatever images you now start making and saving and creating is that they're in an images folder for your website. But we'll look at that when I come back, okay? So if you're going to make a banner, use whatever software you want, whatever you're comfortable with. I would recommend Illustrator. It's a good piece of software. For sizes, I put 3 here. This first one is kind of just a normal sized banner, probably like about this big, as if it was to take up like that much. 1200 pixels is a good screen width. 250 is medium and 650 is quite large, like would fill the whole page when you open it, quite modern. And that's all, guys. So really make sure that you're using this to help us so I can be really efficient in terms of I know where you are at. So yeah, be proactive, go over, check yourself off. If at any point you feel like you don't get it and you've done it but you're not sure, put yourself as a yellow and I'll know to double check when I see you. Right, fab guys, thank you very much and hopefully you are being well behaved. As always, Abdullah. Bye guys.